Hey guys, if you've seen the last few of my videos, especially some of the garage build ones, you might have noticed these metal signs that I have as decoration, and they are freaking beautiful in my opinion, and I just wanted to share with you where I got them. They're made by a company called Queen City Fabrication, and their website is queencityfab.com. Not only do they make a bunch of really cool car ones like this, but they make custom signs as well. Anything you want, they can make for you. They're extremely reasonably priced. They sent me a couple extra little goodies, so go check them out, queencityfab.com. Tell them Aaron from Help Me DIY sent you. So here's their website. If you scroll down, here's the metal art section, and you can see all of these cool crests from different automobiles, some bikes, the little Ducati one here. You can see some of their custom work that they have done. So just a lot of really cool stuff. And these things are only 75 bucks, free shipping. So if you are interested, go ahead and order one or more of these things.